Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to put your matte book in dark mode. This way it will look more elegant and it will also be friendlier to your eyes. And the best part is that it's very simple. So first on your home screen you're going to look for the system settings icon. So here in some computers it's going to appear different. We'll have the configuration icons. It depends on your update. The important thing is that you click on the general part. So as you can see, my computer has a list of all the settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to the general part and here I'm going to click on appearance. And here I can choose if I want it light, dark or auto. So what I am going to do now is I'm going to open this web browser window so we can see the difference. So now that I have it in the live mode, you can see that everything is white. I'm going to click on dark and you can see the difference. The windows are black. Now you know how to do it, so you can change it when you want. In my case, I think that it looks so much better. And I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!